Alright, everything's set and done. Welcome to my outdoor office. This is how I'm working. I'm privileged enough to have my office outdoors, so I could, listen to the wind, to birds in my garden, look for inspiration all around me. And I like to smoke cigarettes while I'm editing, and it's just making all this process a little bit easier and more enjoyable. I would like to make a short video today using a Luminar Neo, which is my to-go editing software. I don't know, I just never get around Lightroom, and I always thought Lightroom is more professional, that I don't need that much, and basically I'm just happy with Luminar. It gives me everything I need, and I don't like to edit too much. I like to take pictures the way so I don't have to edit that much. Like while I'm taking pictures, I already have the editing mind in, and trying to compose and expose and everything good, so later on I spend less time editing and more time actually outdoor. And I'm doing this because a friend of mine asked me how I'm getting this glow kind of effect, soft focus, without using any filters on my camera. So I'm gonna make a quick tutorial. Usually my editing process is a lot longer and complicated than this, but this is just to show you how I use this effect. So I hope you're gonna enjoy. If you have any questions or you would like to show me that I will show you something more, please comment down below, and I'm waiting for your creative criticism as well. I would like to know, maybe there's a better way of doing, or maybe different, or maybe I should do this or that. But for now, let's focus on this, what I'm gonna do here, and let's jump into Luminar Neo. So I'm gonna use this photo because that's the exactly one which my friend was asking me about. So my, general procedure, how I always start with everything, I will go to develop. This is raw, obviously, so you see develop raw. I will start with choosing the right or the one camera profile which I think is going to be best for this shot. So Luminar default is not bad, but I found it has a little bit greenish yellowish haze, which sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. Adobe standard is pretty close. Neutral, landscape, standard, faithful, monochrome and portrait. I kind of like the standard because it's less blues in the sky. Then I will get rid of some of the highlights, bring the shadows back, give a little bit more white. Blacks will go down, maybe that, so I keep some contrast. Then I will usually check my white balance. If it's not right, you can always fix it here, as long as you're shooting in raw. Cloudy looks kind of cool. Shade, okay, I like shade. I give the touch of vibrance. Alright, so from the develop, that's gonna be it. And then I go to details. I give always touch of small and medium. I will go to color. I will go to the luminance. That's my trick. I take a little bit, because I want to focus on sky now, a little bit luminance out of the blues, and then I will go to saturation and bring, so it makes this sky kind of, heavier bluish thing. I don't know, saturation is okay. Maybe I add a little bit of magenta and touch of yellow. That will be it for now. Okay, now I'm gonna go straight into a mood. I have some custom presets which I created before. So usually before I do anything else, I choose one of them. They don't make a big changes. Okay, the number 4 looks awesome. That's enough. Yeah, I'm okay, I'm happy. So I'm checking how was the original. That's the original, that's where we are now. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to glow. I will go to masking. This time I will use the radial mask and just go like this. Now in an adjustment, I will go big time here. You see in this part, we have this soft glow kind of effect. This this what my friend was asking. You see before and after, before and after. Maybe I will add a little bit softness, a little bit brightness, a little bit more, so it's bringing some details here in the shadows as well. Then I will give a little bit more temperature to it to give this summer look, and then I will always check before and after. Okay, I'm kind of happy with this. I'm just not happy with what's happening here down on the bottom, and I would like to bring your attention more to the house itself and this beautiful agave here. So I will go again to develop. I will create the mask. I will go just linear from the bottom, something like this. Adjustments, bring the exposure down, shadows. Yeah, I don't want to be cropping, blacks. Yeah, does this brings? Yeah, you could actually crop somewhere here, and then, you know, it's basically problem done. I will check the before and after. Yeah, so that's basically how you could use the glow effect to create this beautiful. It's kind of, you know, imitates the sunlight as well, but I think it gives you this nice warm, airy and light effect to your photo. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you want more, or you have any questions, or maybe you can correct me in something, please remember this was just as an example to show you the effect, but that's the way I do it. I wish you a great day, and go out and keep your camera always in your pocket. Ciao!